Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Well, the pedal shifters are here, so I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys watched the video before this one about the tire stickers 2.0. The stickers are holding really good. I've been driving it and it looks really good, so if you wanna see, just go and watch the video before this one. But now let's open the package and install the carbon fiber red pedal shifters. Yeah, okay. And the package. Alright, let's see what we got inside. This thing can got it. Alright, it's a little bit dark outside, it's cloudy, but alright, this is it. Boom. It's a nice box. Alright, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. Come on, zoom. This is really nice. What? Come on, man. Did I really get the wrong ones? Why is this a different shape? Let me see. Why me? It says on the side RS5 2013 to 2016. Why is this a different shape? This is kind of squared. Oh man, I am so disappointed right now. Are you kidding me? I've been checking my mail every day for like 2 weeks and they sent me a wrong ones. Oof, I just checked, I just went on their website and it says RS5 2013 to 2015 or 16, and the shape that they are on my steering wheel looks like it says it's A5. Really? Is this A5? Huh? Is this A5? Are you kidding me? Disappointment. Oh well, what can I say? I have idea. I know how I'm gonna fix this. I guess I'm gonna sell the RS5 and buy a A5. And then, you know, I can install the pedal shifters, but oh man, I'm so disappointed right now. I will look so nice. Let me see. See, matches same as the button right now. I got dark carbon fiber. Let's see. Well, I guess this is how it will look like. It's dark now, but yep, it would be nice. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I don't know even what to say. I'm disappointed. My heart is broken right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's a real carbon fiber.